was a winter down in Nashville, Tennessee, until a gunfight over a barmaid made a loser out of me. The paper said there was one man dead and I was only half alive. But nevertheless, when I confessed, they gave me 1 to 5. Now the only place I'm winner is where losers compete, and I play country music at a place where losers meet. Come on down and see me when you have some time to kill. I'm a superstar on losers night at Rosie's Bar and Grill. When I sing about a loser, the barmaid smiles at me, 'cause she's the one involved that night in Nashville, Tennessee. And she still loves this loser, I can see it in her eyes. And it don't mean a thing to her that I've done 1 to 5. Yeah, the only place I'm winner is where losers compete, and I play country music at a place where losers meet. Come on down and see me when you have some time to kill. I'm a superstar on losers night at Rosie's Bar and Grill. I'm a superstar on losers night at Rosie's Bar and Grill.